Hey everyone, welcome to Cloud Ops Central, your home for simple, hands-on cloud learning. I'm James, and today we're going to walk step by step through creating your very first AWS account. Whether you're getting ready for a certification or just starting your cloud journey, this is the perfect place to begin. So what is AWS? It stands for Amazon Web Services, and it's the most widely used cloud platform in the world. With just one account, you can access powerful tools like virtual servers, storage, databases, machine learning, and more. And the best part, AWS has a free tier so you can start building without spending a dime as long as you stay within the free limits. So, let's dive in and set up your account. The first thing you'll need to do is go over to aws.com. That's aws.amazon.com. And what you'll want to do is complete sign up. At the time of this recording, this is the way the screen looks, but periodically Amazon Web Services does update their web pages. So let's go ahead and click on complete sign up. And once we click on that, we'll get to the next page and we want to go down to create a new AWS account. We'll go ahead and click on this and we will begin to create our new account. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and put in a root user email. In this particular case, I have made up a fictitious email. It's actually live, and we'll go ahead and use it to create our account. I would certainly recommend you using your own account, as this email address you won't be able to get my attention with it, as it's just an account I use for this video, and then I will delete it. I'm going to give it an account name, and in this case I'll just label it production for my AWS production account. And then we want to click on verify the email address. And once you click on verify the email address, they will send you an email link, and you just wait for the link, and once you get the link, then you can verify the email address. Of course, you will have to go ahead and enter in the security code. AWS is very good on security, so they will make you do this several times. Sometimes this is hard to read, and if you can't read it, it'll give you an error message, but otherwise it will go ahead and go through and give you the confirm your email address. I already got my confirmation, so I will go ahead and enter this in, and then I will click verify. Now it says it's you. Your email address has been successfully verified. So it wants us to go ahead and choose a root password, and we are creating a root user account. In another video we will show you how to do an alternative account, and I will explain to you why you will want to use that. But for this video we are creating the root user account. So notice that it says we need some uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and non-alphanumeric characters. So in this case, I will go ahead and choose a unique password, and then I will re-enter that password. And no, I am not going to tell you what it is. And then we will go to step 1 of 5, or the next step. Now, we do need to go ahead and enter our personal information, and I will explain this to you, and then I will pause the recording while I enter my personal information. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the button that says personal for your own projects. Enter your name, and then you will need a phone number. You'll need to put where you're from, And of course, this has a drop-down box if you wish to use different phone numbers. And then you also click where you are, and then an address, city, state, and a postal code. If you choose a different country, maybe like Vietnam, some of these other options could change. But in my case, I am in the United States, so I want to go ahead and choose the United States. So at this particular time, I will go ahead and enter my information. Then I click I have read and agreed to the terms of the AWS Customer Service Agreement. And you are welcome to go ahead and do that on your own time. We won't do it for now. And then we will click agree and continue. So I will be back once I enter all my information. Okay, I did click on the continue and it brought us to the billing information. Now, you might say, hey James, you said this was free, and it is going to be free, but what will happen is if you go beyond the free limits, then Amazon will charge you. And in another video, we'll show you how to avoid going beyond the free tier, or at least get a notification if you do go beyond the free tier. But at this particular time, it says you will not be charged for usage below the AWS free count. We may temporarily hold $1 or the equivalent in your local currency as a pending transaction 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. And again, this is only to verify your identity. So I will go ahead and enter in all the information, and then I will come back and update you with the next step. Okay, I did enter my personal identification information. It wants us to go ahead and confirm your identity by getting a text message, an SMS message, or a voice call at our phone number. So again, I will go ahead and pause the video, enter my information, and then I will send a text message to myself. I thought I would show you quickly that once again it is asking us to enter the characters as shown above. This is again for security. Okay, I have received my security code. I will go ahead and enter that. I did enter my security code, and the next page that it took us to is asking us to sign up for a support plan. In this particular case, because this is only a demo account or our free tier account, we just want to select the basic support, which is free. And then we will complete the sign up. Now, we have completed the sign up. It says congratulations. Thank you for signing up with AWS. And we want to go ahead. Got a pop-up. Let's just close this out. We do want to go ahead and go to our AWS Management Console. You can also fill in this information down at the bottom, and a lot of times it's okay to go ahead and do this. In this particular case, I'm just going to say I'm a student and am interested in, let's just say, learning and certification, because maybe we want to learn and get a certification. So we will go ahead and click the submit button. Thank you, and now go to our AWS Management Console. It is taking a moment because I am sitting behind a VPN at the moment. Alright, this is what the console looks like, and in this particular instance we're going to go ahead and stop here. And if you're watching this video and it's helped you, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up, and you can like and subscribe to my channel. You can go ahead and hit the like and subscribe on YouTube. You can select all, personalize, none, or unsubscribe, and make sure you hit the like button also. I hope you found this video interesting. In the next video, we will go ahead and talk about setting up multi-factor authentication. And please remember, the cloud doesn't have to be complicated. Again, I'm James, and I'll see you next time right here on Cloud Ops Central.